My name is Eric Thompson, and I'm going to record this year's Western Regionals Honors Orchestra Audition solo piece for the double bass. Included in this video are some suggested bowings and fingerings that you can use as you learn this piece. There's a fast section, and then there's a slow section in the middle, and then it ends with the fast section that's similar to what you see in the beginning. I'm going to play slightly under tempo to just help you as you learn the piece.
Your journey as a musician involves hard work, discovery, and making music come alive. How do you become the musician you want to be? At Davidson Violins, we have the expertise to help you become a great musician. Our studios help students learn fundamental techniques that help them play some of the world's most beautiful music. Our luthiers adjust and repair your instrument to ensure you sound your best. Great instruments, bows, and a wide selection of strings allow you to be at your very best in auditions, orchestras, and your personal enjoyment. Come explore the world of string instruments with our staff of professional teachers, luthiers, and players. Visit us at 102A South Main Street in Davidson, North Carolina, or online at davidsonviolins.com. Davidson Violins is here to help you sound your best.